Hello kids, good morning. I am your teacher. Surya School present topic sound of I. Sound of I. What is the student? This is hit. H-I-T hit. H-I-T hit. Hit means marna. And what is the student? This is ring. R-I-N-G ring. R-I-N-G ring. Ring means anguthi. And what is the student? This is sit. This is sit. S-I-T sit. S-I-T sit. Sit means बैठना. And what is the student? This is king. This is king. K-I-N-G king. K-I-N-G king. King means raja. And what is the student? This is fish. F-I-S-H fish. F-I-S-H fish. Fish means machli. And what is the student? This is wing. W-I-N-G wing. W-I-N-G wing. Wing means punk. Thank you students and have a nice day.